The subject code for geodetic engineering is 21C32. This video tutorial is about the concepts on the first module, that is, in the present video tutorial I am going to discuss the three concepts which comes under the first module, that is the concepts of, that is the definition of surveying firstly, and then the importance of surveying in civil engineering, nextly differentiation between the plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. Coming to the first concept of the video tutorial, that is the definition of surveying. How can we define surveying, or what is a surveying? A surveying is a science of map making in order to start any developmental activity in an area. The relative positions of various objects in both horizontal as well as vertical direction is required, and this can be approved by surveying the area. Yes. After defining the definition of surveying, let us move into the next concept of today's discussion, that is importance of surveying in civil engineering. Whatever may be the civil engineering projects, that is, it can be a construction of dams, construction of bridges, construction of tunnels, construction of highways, whatever may be the civil engineering projects, planning is a must and designing is a must. In order to prepare the plan or the design work, what is being required? We require the measurements. How can we obtain the measurements? We can obtain the measurements by carrying out surveying. Hence, surveying is the basic requirement for all civil engineering projects. Which are the other principal works in which surveying is primarily utilized? Let us look on that. In order to fix the national highways or the state highway boundaries, surveying is required. In order to establish the control points, surveying is a must. In order to execute the hydrographic and oceanographic mapping, surveying is required. We need to carry out the surveying, and in order to prepare the topographic map of land surface of the earth, where surveying is a must. This is all about the importance of surveying in civil engineering. Coming to the next concept, that is the differentiation between the plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. In many of the previous year question paper, it has been asked many a times regarding the differentiation between plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. It can also be asked like distinguish between plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. Yes. Coming to the first point which comes under the plane surveying is the effect of curvature of the earth is not considered. In the plane surveying, the effect of curvature is not going to consider. We are going to consider the surface of the earth as a plane. Whereas coming to the point under geodetic surveying, the effect of curvature of the earth is considered. That is, we are going to consider the curvature effect of the earth in the geodetic engineering, that is geodetic surveying. Coming to the second point under plane surveying, that is the surface of the earth is taken as a plane. As the name only indicating that the plane surveying, correct? In the plane surveying, that we are going to consider the surface of the earth as a plane surface. Whereas coming to the geodetic engineering, we are going to consider the curvature effect of the earth. Hence, it involves the spherical trigonometry, so it is called as a trigonometrical survey. Coming to the next point under plane surveying, the area to be surveyed is less than 250 kilometers. Whereas coming to the geodetic surveying, the area to be surveyed is more than 250 kilometers. The degree of accuracy is low. Why? Because in the plane surveying, that we are going to consider the surface of the earth as a plane surface. Just because of this reason, the degree of accuracy is low in the plane surveying. Whereas coming to the geodetic surveying, the degree of accuracy is high. Why? Because we are going to consider the curvature effect that is the effect of curvature of the earth in the geodetic surveying. Next is the plane survey is conducted by state agencies like Irrigation Department, Railway Department. Coming to the point under geodetic surveying, the geodetic survey is conducted by Survey of India. Say suppose if it has been asked for you guys in the examination to detail regarding plane surveying, you can take the following points which comes under the plane surveying in order to detail the plane surveying. Say suppose it has been asked for you guys to detail regarding the geodetic surveying, you can take up the following points which comes under geodetic surveying in order to detail the geodetic surveying. Or otherwise it has been asked for you to do the differentiation between the plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. Do pause the video for a while, take up the screenshot of the board. This will provide you the answer regarding the distinction between the plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. Yes, this is all about this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, I am going to discuss the two most important concepts called principles of surveying and differentiation between the plans and the maps. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.